Welcome to this episode of Tech Talk, where we dive into the latest trends and innovations in the tech world. Today, we're talking about the exciting progress in the field of Web3, a new generation of the internet that is revolutionizing the way we think about online data, privacy, and security. What is Web3? But first, let's define what Web3 is. Web3 refers to the next generation of the internet, where the focus is on decentralization, security, and privacy. Unlike the current Web 2, where big corporations and governments control our online data, Web3 aims to empower users and give them full control of their online presence. In a Web3 world, the power dynamics between users and tech companies would shift, putting users in the driver's seat of their own online experience. Why Web3? In recent years, there have been increasing concerns about online privacy and security, and the current web model doesn't seem to address these issues. With the rise of data breaches, cyber attacks, and government surveillance, people are becoming increasingly aware of the need for a more secure and private web. Web3 aims to solve these problems by creating a more secure and decentralized web, where users have full control over their online data. Blockchain technology. The backbone of Web3 is blockchain technology. Blockchain technology allows for secure and transparent data sharing and storage, without the need for a central authority. This makes it an ideal platform for creating a decentralized web. With blockchain, data is stored on a network of nodes, rather than on a single centralized server, making it much harder for hackers to breach. Decentralized applications, dApps. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are the cornerstone of Web3. dApps are applications that run on a decentralized network, rather than a centralized server. This means that they are more secure and cannot be controlled by any single entity. dApps are also designed to be censorship resistant, which means that they cannot be shut down by governments or corporations. With dApps, users can access a wide range of online services and tools, without having to give up control of their data. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is also a crucial component of Web3. Cryptocurrency allows for secure and fast financial transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. This opens up new possibilities for online commerce and finance. Cryptocurrency is also an important tool for enabling decentralization, as it provides a secure and transparent way to transfer value between users. Web3 progress. Over the past few years, we've seen a lot of progress in Web3. More and more developers are starting to build decentralized applications and tools, and we're seeing the first real-world use cases for these technologies. The Web3 ecosystem is growing rapidly, with new projects and initiatives being launched every day. There are now many successful decentralized applications, such as cryptocurrency exchanges, marketplaces, and social networks, that are helping to drive adoption and growth in the Web3 space. Web3 adoption. Adoption of Web3 is still in its early stages, but it is growing rapidly, as more people become aware of the benefits of a decentralized and secure web. We can expect to see more and more people start to use Web3 technologies. With Web3, we have the opportunity to create a more open, secure, and democratic internet, where users are in control of their own data and online experience. Challenges for Web3. Despite the progress and excitement in the Web3 space, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is user adoption. The current web is so ingrained in our daily lives that it can be hard for people to see the need for a change. Another challenge is scalability. Decentralized networks can be slower and less efficient than centralized ones, which can be a barrier to adoption. Finally, there are still many regulatory and legal hurdles that need to be overcome in order for Web3 to reach its full potential. The future of Web3. Despite these challenges, the future of Web3 looks bright. With so much innovation and investment in the space, we can expect to see continued growth and progress in the coming years. As the technology becomes more widely adopted, we can expect to see a shift in the power dynamics of the web, with users taking back control of their online presence. In the future, Web3 will likely become the new standard for online privacy, security, and decentralization, and will play a major role in shaping the future of the internet. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's episode of Tech Talk. We hope you found this discussion on the progress in Web3 to be informative and thought-provoking. If you want to learn more about the latest in tech, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more episodes of Tech Talk. Until next time, goodbye.